Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to start a channel in 2018 for free. Now, this is possible. I mean, a lot of the time it does cost money to start a channel, but it's very, very doable without money, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that today. So we're going to be covering 4 main topics. That is recording software, audio software, microphones, and editing software. Now, they're like the 4 key things you need when starting any channel. So I'm going to go through all 3 ones you can get, and let's start with recording software. So if you're going to record your screen for any type of video, like whether that's on Mac or PC, one great software to use is OBS. Now this works with Mac, Windows and Linux, so whatever operating system you have, you can use OBS. Now it's completely free, like I said, and it's really good. You can stream on it, you can record 1080p, 60 fps, whatever you want. It's probably one of the best softwares out there for screen recording, and it's completely free. So there's your first option. Another one, this is PC only, is NVIDIA Shadowplay. This actually records, this also streams and records, and this is also very good. This is what I use to record my PC. It's really easy. I've got a tutorial. Do I have a tutorial? No, I don't. Yeah, I've got a tutorial on my channel showing you how to use this. So if you've got PC, this is a great option to have, and I strongly recommend it. And if you've just got a Mac only, you can record. You can use QuickTime as well. That's also pretty good. That records a screen very well. So that's another option for PC and Mac, depending which computer you've got. Moving on to audio recording softwares. Pretty much the best one out there, in my opinion, is Audacity. This allows you to record your audio. As you can see, I'm using that right now, and there we go, it's recording my audio. And you can add different tracks, so you can add multiple layers. You can actually edit your audio on this as well, but pretty much it's just a great software to record audio, so I highly recommend that one. Now, moving on to microphones, this is where it gets a bit harder. This one is probably the cheapest one out there at the moment. I know I said for free, you don't have to use this, but I'm saying if you do want like a decent mic, this is probably your best bet. It's only 45 quid in dollars. I'm not sure how much that'll be, probably like $60 or something, but this is going to be the cheapest one out there. And if you literally have no money to spend on this, you can always use the internal microphone of your computer, or use, say, a microphone of a headset, or headphones or something. Like a gaming headset would be a really good alternative. If you've got one with a mic, that's probably better alternative than the internal mic on your computer. But like I said, if you do want to spend a bit of money and get that better audio quality, this is probably your best bet. If not, like I said, use a gaming mic or just use the internal microphone of your computer. Now, moving on to editing software. If you have a Mac, obviously iMovie, it's built in, it's perfect, it's great, you're all sorted there. That's a like really good thing with a Mac. You've got your editing software built in. If you do have a PC, you can use DaVinci Resolve. Now this is a really high quality editing software quality software, and it's completely free. So just go to their website, Blackmagic Design, type in DaVinci Resolve 14, and scroll all the way to the bottom, and as you can see, download now. It is free, and personally I don't use this, but I've been told it's very good. There's going to be tutorials out there on how to use it, but in my opinion, this definitely looks probably to be the best free software out there for editing at the moment, and this is for Mac and PC as well. So whatever operating system you've got, this is going to work for you. Moving on to thumbnail editing software, PicMonkey. Now PicMonkey is actually pretty good. So if you want to edit a photo, you just go on to edit. I don't know what have I got here. Is that a background? I think that's a background. Let's just see that. Come on. There we go. Alright, that's a background there. And then you can just sort of do stuff like this. So you can add overlays, add your own. Here we go, my computer, and then it'll go to like overlays. Oh Jesus, my computer's like freezing. My computer, there we go, come on, and then say whatever this is, just the YouTube logo. You can add that, you can move it around, you can just play with it, sort of that. So this is a pretty good software for your thumbnail, so I highly recommend this as well. Then you can add text, blah 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 blah, choose your font in a minute, choose your font, so that, say Chunk 5, add text, and then you can type whatever you want. test. There we go, and then you can just play around with that, and that's also well, yeah, that's a really good software to make your thumbnails on. Now, and if you are a channel that needs to record like your face or need to record like anything going on, obviously you'll probably have a phone. I'm gonna say, yeah, your phone's probably your best bet for that. And there we go. That's how to start a channel completely for free. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.